THEMIO fancy widget and themes, wallpapers and themes for you. So you can just tap get and install it. Pretty cool app for widgets. It's not yet in top charts. It's not the app like THEMIO or something widget share, but yeah, pretty cool app. Discover THEMIO. Here you'll find exceptional themes with unique designs for icons and widgets. Choose your personal style, luxurious themes with gold accents to emphasize your phone status, cute animal themes, or perhaps neon or futuristic urban landscapes. One of the huge advantages of this app is customizing the appearance of your phone with a variety of widgets. THEMIO benefit completely customize the home screen, access unique themes featuring icons, wallpapers, widgets, arrange all icons on a single home screen, regularly receive updates, create your own combination and achieve a premium look. So there is premium access, and let's just try it out. So here's the app. You can see how it goes, and there is a free trial. If you try yearly or 3-day free trial, then $8 per week. And then there is a limited free version which you can just try. And then there are all these kind of themes which you can then just go and install. So there are these really cool themes like that. So then that's what it is. And then here it is. Then you can just try premium for free. Here you can share it, and this easy to use app, quite handy. There are all the tutorials how to add widgets, how to set wallpapers, how to remove icons, charging animations. Everything is in here. And then you have your widgets in here, and then you just tap the plus icon, it starts to jiggle, and yeah, so that's the idea.